Let's take a look at the chart action for BitTorrent. The ticker symbol BTT. This is a user request, and this is also a sample of what you can get with my Patreon. Alright, so here's what I'm looking at on BitTorrent. We got support right here, we got support right here. I'm looking at an uptrend, something like this. And then we have resistance right here, and we had resistance right here. I would probably have been targeting this resistance right here, and then now we're kind of trying to break out of this resistance right there, and it kind of looks like we're doing it. In general, we're on this uptrend like this. I would say we're maybe looking at a trend line from here to here, drag that something like this, and we're looking at a little triangle pattern, something like that. If we could break to the upside, which it looks like we're testing right now, maybe we can get a target from the top to the bottom of this triangle, drag that to the breakout, and we're looking at a target of approximately 0.007898, which brings us up to this previous resistance right here, pretty much. In general, the other thing I was looking at is we have a big huge uptrend and then a big huge kind of downtrend, and then it seems like we hit the bottom right here. If we think we hit the bottom, we could do a Fibonacci retracement from the top to the bottom, something like that, and give us some levels to watch. So the idea of this is that we come down, we hit the bottom, and then sometimes we could either hit the 38% level or maybe the 50% level. And this triangle pattern target is coming up right and hitting around the 50% level, right around 0.007728. In general, what I would be watching is this triangle pattern. Are we going to break this going to the upside, or are we going to break this going to the downside? In general, though, it seems like the crypto market has been moving to the upside. Alright, so we're looking at the total crypto market cap, and basically all of crypto has been heading to the upside. In general, on my channel, we've been looking at this pattern, something like this triangle pattern. We're dragging from the top to the bottom of this triangle, something like that, dragging that to the breakout, and we're looking at a target of approximately 2.33 trillion. Right now, we're at 2.3 trillion. What's going to happen if we hit our target right here? Are we going to get a correction? It looks like we've got a pretty good, nice little run. But in general, I would say as long as this is going up, we can be bullish on our targets on the other coins that we're watching. Alright, so yeah, with BitTorrent, I would say we're watching this resistance line right here, and then we're watching the support line right here. It looks like we're testing the resistance going to the upside right now, and I wouldn't be surprised if we get to this 0.007728 50% level on the Fibonacci level. Also, it's a target on this triangle pattern, something like that. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you guys want me to do your viewer requests right away, go hit up my Patreon. I'll do 4 videos a week for $10 a month. If you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up button.